So this is a Kica Jet Fan 2, and it's made, well, it's like a sister company from the company called Fiotech, who make some camera gimbals, make some really good products that I've reviewed in the past. I sort of saw this and I was like, I've got to make a video about this because it's super, super cool, and it does a lot more than you think it does. It's not just a dust blower, which originally when it came, I was like, that's cool. I mean, it's very powerful. We'll talk about it in a second. It's well made, it looks beautiful, and it can blow the dust off your desk, but it does so much more. So that's why I'm making a whole video about it. Basically, it is a air blower, but it's got lots of use case scenarios, and it's made exceptionally well. It's made of a really strong metal material. It's got a USB-C charging port, comes in the box with the USB cable. It's got a big battery, it lasts up to 3 hours, and the max power is 10,000 RPM. And it's great quality for all sorts of purposes. So yeah, you can use it as a dust blower, and we have been using it to clean out my son's PC, getting rid of all the dust. It's so powerful, it really does a really good job. I've been keeping the desks and everything in the studio nice and clean and free of dust. Great for when you're doing sort of B-roll shots of products like I do. You can blow the dust off them. There's no sort of close-up dust speckles that look really annoying when you get it back into the computer to look at the footage. So this has done a really good job. It can not only blow, but it can actually suck the air as well. It actually sucks through there and sucks the dust through, sort of like a Hoover, so you can do it 2 ways. But I mean, basically it comes in the box as well with these sort of nozzles which screw onto there like that, so you can get into sort of really hard to reach areas, keyboards for instance, like so, to get all the dust out of food or whatever you're doing out of your keyboard. And comes with this one in the box as well for blowing up things. So that's the other thing it can do. It can blow up inflatable objects, swimming pools, beds, pillows, which I'm just going to demonstrate for you now, because we do, you know, quite a bit of camping as a family, and we've got loads of things that need blowing up when we get there, and pillows being one of them. So I'm just going to show you, this is my Trekology pillow that we use for wild camping, and I'm just going to put this in there to see. This can blow a pillow up. That's on low. Ready for high? Okay, done. So you can see how powerful it is, and it's blown up this inflatable pillow just in seconds. So yeah, it's good. You can also actually let's deflate it, because you know it does have this release valve on there, but all the air doesn't always come out unless you jump on stuff, especially when you're doing blow up beds or swim pools. It can sort of take a long time to get the air out, but this will make short work of it, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, easy peasy. So yeah, I mean, it's taking all the air out of it. We can just fold it up and put it away. So great product, sucks and blows.
That's what she said.
Also comes with this sort of airbed connection as well in the box, which is really handy, and that goes onto the front or the back as well. I mean, you can see it's got this button on the front which turns it on, and then you just slide this up and down depending on what sort of power you want. So max power is very, very powerful. I'm blowing my hats and the plants and stuff 2 meters behind me, and it's blowing those around. It really is very, very good. It is really, really exceptional quality. It's built like a tank. It's going to last a long time. The battery's very good, and it just works very, very well. It could also be used as a fan on hot days for keeping yourself cool, or even like a mini hairdryer. If you're out camping or something like that, you can dry your hair with this. So yeah, there's so many different things, different ways you can use this thing. And like I mentioned, it was just such a cool device. I wanted to review it and tell you about it. There will be a link in the description if you want to grab one. It's priced at about £99, but I think there's some vouchers on Amazon and stuff, so you can get about 20% off on the odd occasion. So keep your eyes peeled at certain times of the year. Great product, really do fully recommend it. That's the Kica Jet Fan from Fiotech. Link in the description. That's it for this one. See you on the next one. Bye guys.